This is a how-to video from Total Watch Repair. Today we're going to change a watch battery for a Swiss Army Cavalry watch. It's a bit of an older model. It does not have the model number displayed on the back of the watch like the newer versions do. So there's no model number for this one here. However, we are going to replace the battery and we're going to show you how to do that. This particular one has a pop-out case back. We're going to take our knife, we're going to pop out the case back as we just did right here. Remove the case back, place the watch down. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the gasket. If the gasket, typically we change the gaskets. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to re-silicone it and we're going to reseal it and install. So we'll put that into the silicone chamber here. Let that sit in there for a while and soak in the grease and the silicone. While that's in there, we're just going to go ahead and remove the battery. Has a little slot which we slide over with the tweezers. We're going to go ahead and remove the old battery. Battery used here is a number 371. We use Energizer. We're also cleaning out the movement with air cleaner. And we're now going to install the new battery. So once that battery is installed, we're going to go ahead and take out the gasket from the lubribox. And we will go ahead and put that back onto the case back securely, exactly how it was positioned onto the case. So once that's on there, we're going to go ahead and close the case back. Now this is typically you're going to need to use a crystal press machine in order to evenly distribute the amount of pressure that is needed to close the case back. You can't necessarily do it with your fingers. You're going to have to use this machine to snap the case back into place as we just demonstrated here. So once the case back is on, the battery replacement has been complete. You can set the time and date and the watch is ready to go. That is pretty much it, folks. Very simple to replace a battery on a standard Swiss Army watch. There are different types of case backs, some with screws, some that take a screw back. This happened to be a pop-out, which is probably one of the easier ones to replace. Thank you very much. We hope you enjoyed our video. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram and our website as well, www.totalwatchrepair.com. Thank you. The information for the screwdriver and the tweezers will be in the description.